guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you my 2026 that girl go-to makeup look. Basically all my favorite things in one routine. I love a good freckle. I've been loving straight brows lately, and I've been
really into enhancing my eyes to make them look brighter and bigger.
If you are into this kind of makeup, grab your matcha, grab your coffee, and keep on watching. This is my strawberry matcha latte that I got from
this local coffee shop, and it's so good.
But I'm in a hunt for some good matcha powder so I can start making matcha lattes at home. 2026 is all about good glowy skin-like base. I love to prep my skin before I do my skincare. First things first, I use these facial pad resurfacing. This is just going to help exfoliate and get rid of any dead skin or any leftover makeup you have from the night before. Look how gross this is. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but this is why we use toner. Next, we're gonna use a milky toner. I love this toner. It's so refreshing on the skin. We're gonna put this on our hands. And this is just going to help nourish and moisturize our skin. So it's gonna make it nice and juicy or bouncy. I love this big bottle because I've had this for almost like a year and I'm like halfway done. We're gonna go in with another toner. This one is a toner with a serum. It's a Korean brand that I got. I do enjoy this product with the serum and a toner in one product, which is amazing and saves time too. I don't use primer because skincare acts as my primer. We're gonna do a little bit of moisturizer. Found this at Target. And it's also another Korean care brand. I've been really obsessed with Korean skincare, just Korean everything. I feel like they're so gentle on the skin, unlike a lot of Western skincare. And I've been really loving it. A lot of the products I've noticed are very hydrating. Like they just nourish the skin and they just help protect your skin barrier. I don't really have sensitive skin, so I don't know if I'm using something too harsh. So unlike other people that do have sensitive skin, they will know right away if there's fragrance or there's some harsh ingredients because their skin will flare out. I don't know, so I kind of just go with what the ingredient list is and how it makes my skin feel. And all these products really do make my skin very dewy and just very hydrated towards the end. So I always finish my skincare with sunscreen. I don't care if it's a cloudy day, I will still wear sunscreen because there's still sun rays out there. And obviously my skin's not gonna get burned, but we want to protect as much as possible. So I ran out of that, so I'm just going to use Color Science sunscreen. This one comes out white, and then once you blend it, it blends right into your skin color. It's a good sunscreen because of the coverage. I have like dark circles and it does cover them, so that's the nice part. I don't look so dead. This is your sign to take a sip of your matcha.
So yummy.
I am going to use a little bit of concealer.
Which one should I go in today? Should I go in with this next one? Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk? I think I might do this one.
But I am going to go in with the color 4.5. We're going to do a slab right here, not too close to your eyelash line. And then with the lighter concealer, this one's 3.75. We are just going to go right in the corner and right there. Just a dot. I actually want to cover my eyebrows right here, so I had my eyebrows microbladed like, I don't know, 5 years ago, and I still have that tattoo, so I just want to clean that up because I do like the straight look.
And I'm going to use
lighter concealer and put it right here to highlight with the concealer brush. This one's 71 from Sephora. We're gonna start blending. Blend. You want to blend upwards too. You want to make sure everything is blended upwards so you have that lifted and more youthful look. So for the eyebrows, I am going to just dab, and I'm just gonna use some of the concealer from leftover product on the brush and just pat my eyelid. Everything is nice and blended. I really like to use a lip liner for my contour. and I've been kind of obsessed with using the MAC lip liner in Cork, and I've been just using it as a contour stick. It's very precise, and I use it on my forehead, right on my cheekbone, and on my chin. I like to do a V. For my nose, I like to just do this kind of contour and a little circle on the tip of my nose. That's just the contour map. Before I blend everything out, I like to go in with this facial mist. It is like a toner, but it has like skin-like ingredients. It has hyaluronic acid. It just has vitamin E. This is also another Korean brand, so I like to use this in between my steps, and I feel like it really does help blend the makeup in. And then we're gonna go in with this flat brush, and we're just going to blend. I use my lip pencil for my nose contour first, and then I just decided like, well, why can't I just use it for the rest of my face? And it's been a game changer. Okay, we're gonna use a different brush to blend our contour on our nose, and this is just a smaller angle brush. So I'm just gonna make sure to go back and forth and kind of downwards a little bit. Just push the product in just by tapping it. And the same thing on the other side. Contouring my nose has been one of my favorite makeup steps currently, just because I feel like it really does snatch my whole face. But it's just a fun little thing I do. Like, I love contouring my nose and adding my freckles. They're just so cute. Blush. I use a lipstick for my blush because I love this color. It is Baby T number 25 from Maybelline Teddy collection, and I like to focus it like right on the apples of my cheek. And this blends like butter. It's such a pretty peachy pink color, and I put it on my nose and I like to stack it on. We're gonna grab a flat brush, and this is just gonna be staying on the apples of our cheeks. Make sure that little area, apple of cheek, is covered. It kind of gives me like I've been out in the sun for a while look. Beauty blender. I use this tiny one. It's a bit more precise, but I like to blend everything. So underneath my eye, you want to take your time, make sure everything's blended right. Okay, setting powder. We're gonna use my ultimate favorite L'Oreal Infallible Blurfaction in translucent. This one's my favorite just because it's so lightweight. Oh shit, and I'm running out. But absolutely gives your skin a flawless finish look. I literally don't want to look cakey, and sometimes the powders can make it or break it, and this powder is literally perfection. Really need to make sure everything's blended properly, and we're just gonna set my under eyes. This is a little big of a powder puff, so I'm just gonna fold it and just go like this, just like that. And then with my little fluffy brush, we are just going to push the powder in. With the rest of the product, I like to go in with my nose and then my smile lines, and with the rest, I'm just gonna dab it on our hands before, just make sure it's like really dabbed. And then forehead right here between the eyebrows and right here, and just once again just pat. Don't even dip it into the powder. We just want a very light powder. Okay, so with this little brush, we are just going to just blend it in actually into our skin. Let's move on to the eye. For our eyelids, in the same loose powder and the same little puff, we're just gonna just blend. So I love this creamy Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette. It's one of my favorites. It just has all these kinds of beautiful browns, which I love. First, go in with this color right here, and we're gonna put that all over our crease. Instead of dragging it down, I want it to be more lifted. You see how my eyebrows, I kind of lift it? I'm gonna do the same thing with the eyeshadow. We are gonna do
a little bit of a darker color just to warm this up.
And we're gonna go in with the same brush with this color right here. We're gonna do the same thing too. Just lift it all the way up and making sure you go right into the crease. Now this is my favorite part because it's gonna lift your eyes up, and we're gonna go in with a darker brown with an angled brush like this. And we're gonna do a small little cat eyeliner. Okay, it doesn't have to be perfect because we're gonna blend it out with a smaller brush. So this is how it's looking. Really easy to blend actually. We're gonna go in with this color right here. I'm just gonna use our finger, and we're just gonna tap it with this brown right here. Just kind of outline our inner corner with the brown eyeshadow. We're gonna go in with this. Either you can do a nude or a white eyeliner, and we're gonna go right on the waterline. And this is gonna make your eyes pop in. I like to just kind of go right on the rim of the lashes a little bit. Grabbing a small little brush like this, Going back in with the little sparkly eyeshadow, we're gonna go right in the inner corner. I like to use this mascara. It is waterproof. I'm definitely a crier, so I literally have to wear waterproof mascara. It's one of my favorites. It definitely does help with lengthening your lashes. I love doing my bottom lashes. Like, I actually don't mind doing the clumpy look. I'm gonna go with another mascara. This is a Dior one, and this one, I'm only using this one because it's a bit more thicker. With a little tweezer, we are going to just kind of pinch our lashes, make them like that anime look. So you want to pinch and like slightly pull. You're not going to pull your lashes. You have to do it gently. Pull eyelashes in. We are going to use a little bit of highlighter right underneath our eyebrow bone. We're going to use the NARS one. I love this one. I think this is my second favorite one. My favorite one is the one from Rare Beauty, but it always breaks. And I think this one is literally the same as Rare Beauty, where it's so finely kneaded it breaks. It just looks so natural on the skin. Like, it doesn't look chalky. We're going to use some highlight on our nose, tip of our nose. And then I like to go right here. I'm gonna go right in here, inner corner, just to give it a little umph. This just ties the whole look together. I'm just gonna use a little bit of bronzer on my forehead and right here. And I'm only going over it once. But it's like a peachy pink color, and we are going to actually mix both. Just focus on both of my cheeks, across the face. I love having freckles. It makes everything cute, and it goes with the tart. We're gonna do right where our nose bone's at. And we're just gonna stay right there, and we're gonna get on our cheeks too. Looks super natural. We are gonna do just right across this area of our nose. Like, we're just gonna merge the little bridge, just a still small section. So with lips, I've been really loving a cool tone brown with a pinkish peach lipstick. We're gonna go with MAC Cork, and we're just gonna outline the lips just very lightly. Our lips together. This one is a block from NYX. This is more of a cool tone brown, and we are going to just outline what we have ready. I do like these NYX lip stains. The only complaint is they dry so quickly, and it's hard to like blend it, so you really have to just be very quick. I will say they're better than the Huda lip stains. Those dried out so quickly. I was so disappointed in them. We're gonna go back in with this lipstick.
Alright, on the center of our lips.
These lipsticks are so creamy, like they feel so good on the lips. We're just gonna spray some facial mist one last time. This is how my makeup is looking. I absolutely love this makeup look. I'm gonna be wearing this makeup look all 2026. I feel like it gives very soft feminine kind of aura. I think I'm gonna go Target, and I am reading the Housemaid series. I just finished the second book yesterday, and I'm gonna get the third book today. Go to Target to pick that up. Well, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next time, bye!